Chamomile oil is a natural hair lightener that enhances hair color, reduces graying, and prevents scalp brittleness and flakiness. It can be added to hair rinses and henna mixtures, preventing breakage, premature balding, and weak roots. Chamomile oil effectively treats dandruff due to its strong antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. It kills germs, prevents scalp infections, soothes dry scalps, maintains hydration, and reduces inflammation. Chamomile also prevents greasy flakes from overwashing or excessive chemical use in shampoo or conditioner. Chamomile oil can help maintain healthy hair growth by balancing scalp acidity, encouraging oil production, and controlling oil production. It prevents excess sebum and makes hair less oily. Chamomile also soothes sebaceous glands, preventing hair from becoming stringy and straggly. Chamomile oil provides natural shine and conditioning to hair, making it soft and shiny. Chamomile shampoo provides deep nourishment, shinier, stronger, and softer. It prevents dullness and dryness, ensuring a healthy, shiny appearance. Chemical treatments like rebonding, coloring, and perming can damage hair, leading to dry, coarse, brittle, and dull hair. Chamomile oil, rich in vitamin C, E, and antioxidants, can nourish hair by moisturizing it, fighting free radical damage, and protecting it from pollution, UV rays, and heat. Shampoo often strips hair's natural oil, causing dryness and frizz. Chamomile oil, rich in vitamins and nutrients, restores hair's oil balance, keeps it hydrated, and effectively detangles dry hair. It absorbs into the hair shaft, protects against split ends, and reduces scalp irritation and frizz. Chamomile, a natural hair lightener, can create stunning natural highlights without harsh chemicals. Its enzyme inhibits melanin production, the pigment found in hair and skin, resulting in beautiful highlights. Chamomile works well on both natural and color-treated hair, providing a natural solution for hair care. Chamomile oil, known for its nerve-soothing properties, is effective for nourishing hair and scalp, particularly dry and brittle hair, retaining moisture and strengthening it for soft, strong tresses. Chamomile oil is a natural remedy that nourishes and heals hair by preventing damage from UV rays, dirt, dust, and grime. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties help remove hard water minerals, while its antioxidant properties prevent aging and wrinkling. Chamomile oil's healing properties repair damaged skin cells and tissues, while its terpenes, flavonoids, and sesquiterpenes strengthen hair follicles, preventing hair loss. It promotes hair growth by improving blood circulation, boosting collagen production, and reducing hair loss. Chamomile boosts hair growth by improving blood flow, providing nutrients, and clearing away oil and grit. It also aids in collagen synthesis and hair regrowth. Chamomile oil soothes the scalp and stimulates roots, preventing harmful chemicals from stripping hair of natural oils. Menopause, stress, and anxiety can cause hair loss due to shorter telogen phases and longer anagen phases, resulting in thinner hairs. Chamomile oil's soothing effect can help reduce or prevent hair loss.